Second thing, campaign names. You want to have very good campaign nomenclature, because when you have the good names, you can very easily identify what campaign does what and it's for what. And when you go into the bulk sheets and try to optimize, you can very quickly figure out what's doing what. So always have a product code at the beginning. So if you're selling like a Celsius orange, I would do like CO, for example. So CO space dash space and then the rest of the name. Now, what's the rest of the name going to be comprised of? Is it auto? So if it's auto, then it'll be either close match or loose match or complements or substitutes. Is it keyword targeting? If it is it going to be broad and or phrase or exact? And if it's keyword targeting, what's the source of the keyword? Is it the search term report? Is it the main keyword? Is it supplementary keyword? Whatever it is. So put the match type and then put what's the source of the keyword. Now, if you have 10 main keywords, then it'll just be main keyword 1, main keyword 2, main keyword 3. If you're doing individual keyword campaigns, you could just have the name of the keyword right there. So it'll be exact and then whiskey stones, or exact and then electrolyte powder, whatever. So that's how I would name it. If it's product targeting, you can say PT and then space dash space and then the source of the product targeting. If it's a category targeting, make sure you name it's a category targeting. If you're doing product targeting 3 stars or less, make sure that you say product targeting 3 stars or less. This way you can actually go and look at all of the campaigns. Maybe, hey, I want to see all of my product targeting campaigns, and then you see all of the PT, the 3 stars or less campaigns are performing really well. You're like, oh, I see a trend here. So the names are very important.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.